Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Chic Stylish Style. I'm Seema and today in this video I'm going to share you this soft glam makeup look inspired by makeup artist Wang Zango, and I love this makeup look, so I try to recreate it. If you want to know how I recreated this look, so keep on watching, and I will try to link the link of that makeup of Wang Zango in my description box. You can check it down from there. I am starting with primer. The primer I'm using is from Sugar and it is a silicone based primer, and it is so good for oily skin type. And after that I'm going to apply the foundation. The foundation I'm using is from L'Oreal True Match foundation. The foundation quality is so good. The foundation blends so well onto my skin, and it gives skin like texture and very lightweight formula. But the only drawback of this foundation is that it is the darkest shade I can find in India. After that I'm going to conceal my under eye and give some brightness to my face by using this brown concealer. I am loving this concealer. Recently I got this concealer and it blends so good. To balance out that under eye darkness, I'm also going to add some dark color concealer from Swiss Beauty in shade 01. I blend my under eye concealer last because I want the concealer to give some coverage. For that it gets sets for a while, and after that when I blend it, it gives seamless finish and coverage with little product. I'm going to set my base with this translucent powder from K Beauty, and I'm going to use minimum amount of product to set my base. Now to bring out some life and dimension to my face, going to bronze my face with a legal bronzer. I like to apply bronzer with big fluffy brush like this, gives more softer bronze look. In this makeup I'm going to apply bronzer more than usually I apply because the foundation is lighter for my skin shade and I need to balance it to avoid ashy finish. Currently, I'm obsessed with contouring my nose. Earlier, I wasn't contouring at all. To set my brow, I'm going to use this soap from Makeup Revolution and giving a quick upward direction brush to my eyebrows and filling that eyebrows with a eyebrow pen from Makeup Revolution, giving a fake eyebrow to my brow to fill in the sparse area and some extending my eyebrow at the tail region. For eyeshadow, I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette. It has a shade that is similar to that makeup look. Applying the shadow to my entire eyelid as well as my lower lash line. For eyeliner, I'm going to use this brown pencil from Wet n Wild, and I'm going to create a wing liner from this and going to smudge it with a small blending brush to give softer wing look. Quickly curling my eyelashes with eyelash curler and applying good coat of mascara. The mascara I'm using today is from Swiss Beauty mascara. Afterward, adding life to my face with blusher and highlighting my face with Makeup Revolution highlighting palette in golden shade. Also apply the same highlighter at my inner corner of eye to make my eye more open and awake. Look at the package of this lipstick, and this lipstick is from Mars and it cost me around 200 rupees, and the shade is so good. One swipe pigment. I love this shade and love the texture of this lipstick. And this is the finished look, guys. Hope you like this tutorial, and if you do so, please give a moment to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll link down the makeup look of Wang Zango in my description box. You can check it out from there, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.